If your ship repair takes forever, you're missing out. Discover the welding innovation that cuts costs and time. The client's challenge was to develop a regulatory-approved welding process suitable for the exotic low-temperature steel grade used in the hull construction. The products used must be mobile, allow for quick, easy setup, and have controlled precise heating capabilities. With our innovative products, that's now a breeze. Our solution? The twin heat module for consistent heating, customized magnetic insulated flexible ceramic heaters for precise application, and the variable thermocouple attachment unit, 50100 for customizable control. Together, these tools ensure high-performance welds that meet strict standards, all while improving efficiency and cutting costs. This field-ready solution means quicker repairs, better quality, and significant savings. Say goodbye to costly, time-consuming heat treatments. Shipbuilders, it's time to elevate your game. Embrace the future of efficient, high-quality welding. Ready to get started? The ocean awaits.